Artlist versus Midjourney, which AI creative tool is better. Choosing the right AI creative tool can transform your content creation process without wasting time or resources. Both offer unique features for creators and designers. Artlist and Midjourney serve creative professionals but differ fundamentally. Artlist focuses on royalty-free music and sound assets, while Midjourney specializes in AI-generated visual art. The core difference lies in audio versus visual content generation. Artlist is a comprehensive platform offering royalty-free music, sound effects, and stock footage designed for content creators and filmmakers. It works by providing an extensive curated library that users can license for unlimited use across projects. Artlist's strengths include high-quality audio, easy licensing terms, and a user-friendly interface that simplifies searching and downloading assets. It's ideal for video producers, podcasters, and marketers who need reliable soundtracks without legal complications. However, Artlist's focus is primarily audio-based, so it does not provide AI-generated visuals or graphics. Users looking for visual content creation will need additional tools. Overall, Artlist excels in delivering professional-grade audio assets that enhance storytelling and production value. Midjourney is an AI-powered platform specializing in generating high-quality digital artwork from text prompts. Using advanced machine learning models, it transforms user descriptions into unique visual creations. Midjourney's strengths lie in its ability to produce diverse art styles quickly, making it a powerful tool for designers, illustrators, and creative agencies. It allows users to experiment with concepts without needing traditional art skills. However, Midjourney requires some familiarity with prompt crafting to optimize results, and generated images may need refinement depending on project needs. It does not offer audio or video assets, focusing solely on visuals. Midjourney is ideal for creatives seeking innovative and customizable AI-generated artwork to enhance branding, marketing, or personal projects. Choosing between Artlist and Midjourney depends on your creative focus. If your priority is sourcing high-quality, royalty-free music and sound effects with straightforward licensing, Artlist is the clear choice. It fits seamlessly into video production workflows where audio is critical. On the other hand, Midjourney excels for those who need original AI-generated visuals and artistic concepts. It enables rapid ideation and unique imagery, but requires some skill in prompt design. Both platforms complement different stages of content creation. Artlist enhances audio, while Midjourney drives visual innovation. The trade-off is between audio assets versus visual generation, so selecting the right tool aligns with your project's creative demands. Choose Artlist if you need professional royalty-free music and sound effects for videos or podcasts with simple licensing and a vast curated library. Opt for Midjourney when your focus is on AI-generated visual art that offers creative flexibility and unique designs. Together, these tools serve different creative needs, so pick the one that best fits your project's audio or visual requirements to maximize impact.